Hi everyone. Today we are going to see mean, median, mode for an individual data. So the formula for individual data. First mean. Mean means it's nothing but average. Mean means average and the median means middlemost value and mode means most repeated value. So this is the mean value for the individual data. What is individual data actually? A single line data is called a individual data. Okay, data in a single line. Okay, simply we say the single line data. Okay, here mean x bar na just total divided by number of values. Here n number of values. So therefore the total of all observation divided by number of observation. That's all. That is mean average. That's all. Median means the two cases we have. First we need to arrange the data in ascending order and then find the number of observation n. If suppose n is odd, suppose number of observation is 5. 5 is an odd number, right? So if 5 is an odd number, we have a exact middle data. Actually, what is median? Median means middlemost data. So here the exact middle value for 5 we have, that is 3. So 3 is the median of 5 datas, right? Third item, what the third item in the data, that is the median. Okay, so n plus 1 by 2th item, so that's all. Just we find the 5 plus 1 by 2th item, that is third item. So third item we exactly say it is a median, middlemost value. So but second case, if n is even number, even number of datas were given. So if suppose a 6 datas were given, 6 datas were given, it is an even number, right? So two middle values are there. So but the two middle values you need to find the average. That number of item you need to find out, that is called median. Okay. So next mode. Mode is most repeated value. That's all, sir. Mean means average, median, middlemost value. Mode means most repeated value. That's all. So here mean, median, mode we can find for this given individual data. Individual data means a single line data given. First we need to arrange it into a ascending order. Okay. So minimum to maximum we arranged. The number of observation we need to find. The number of observation is 9. Now we find the mean value, total divided by number of observation. Here the number of observation is 9 we said. So total divided by number of observation, average we find. Mean means average. Okay. So next median, middlemost value. Here the number of data is 9. It is an odd number. So first case, for odd number of data, n plus 1 by 2th item. So n plus 1 by 2th item means 9 plus 1 by 2th item, that is 10. 10 divided by 2, 5th item. So in that ascending order, the arrangement of ascending order, what is the 5th item? This is 1, this is 2 and this is 3 and this is 4th item and this is the 5th item, 40. Okay. So the 40 is the middlemost value, that is called median. Okay. 40 is the middlemost value, that is called median. Okay, fine. Good. Next, what is mode? I said most repeated value or most frequent value, right? So which the value can repeated most number of time, maximum number of time, that is called mode, right? Here which value repeated maximum number of time? 40 is repeated most 3 times, right? 3 times 40 repeated, therefore 40 is the mode, most repeated value, right? So mean, average, median, middlemost value and mode means most repeated value. That's all. So I will thank you. We'll continue discrete data in the next video. We find the mean, median, mode for discrete data in the next video. Thank you. See you again.